Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Mobile Freak and today we'll unbox this Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. So this one is with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, and the color is Onyx Gray. As you can see, this is the box, Redmi Note 10 on the side. That's everything you pretty much need to know. I'll just flip this, set this knife and just remove this kind of stuff around edges. That's exactly what we need. And peel this off. We doesn't want that on our phone. Remove this also. And that's exactly it. I will throw that away. And let's just unbox this. Really nice sound. Here is the phone itself. You can see we will put him on the side. Let's see what is inside of this box. Yeah, moving like this. There is 33-watt charger, just included in the box. I need to remove everything. So as you can see, everything is really nice. Cable also. Type-C, like always. We'll move that aside. Also, we have this kind of standard, silicone case. Then this one will move here. Let's just peel this off. What a nice sound. Oh my god. It's exactly what we need. And let's just boot this up. So this is the phone itself. It's really nice. It's first time in my life I can say this is the Xiaomi phone which is not that, fat. It's not thick at all, guys. No problems at all. What is this? We are here, MIUI 12. Let's take the English. Of course, everything is fast. Agree everything, because we don't have insert SIM card. Let me set this for let's wait a couple of seconds. We have connection. Getting your phone ready. This will take a minute. So here are the volume up and volume down. This is the fingerprint scanner. It's not inside of the frame, it's outside. You can see that slightly over the body. You have speakers here, 3.5mm audio jack, Type-C connector for charging. On the top we also have, so this is the dual speaker setup. Here is the grill for call speaker, and you can see pretty much it's really great. I will say really great quality. I'm not disappointed at all, guys. It's really doesn't feel like cheap device. And cameras look really great for my opinion. This area here is funny, but overall it's look great. I don't have problem with this one. I love this accidentally. So that's pretty much it, guys. We will wait a couple of seconds so everything is set up. The color is great. I can say only it's great. It's not like standard black or standard, just gray, it's great. It's Onyx gray, which is like great gray for me. And this phone is really not thick, guys. This is awesome. I'm really appreciating this for this Redmi, you know. This is really great. And we are in, guys. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you're new to the channel, subscribe would be really amazing. Thank you very much for watching, and like always, we will see you in the next one. Peace.